and welcome to a short video about using global changes in RC Migrator, part of the CA-DB2 Tools suite of products. We'll show you a brief overview of how to use and manage the global changes functionality in RC Migrator. This functionality allows you to propagate changes across a variety of objects without having to change each object manually. This video covers only the R17 product version and assumes that you are already somewhat familiar with the product. First, open RC Migrator and access the Strategy Services page from the main menu by entering 1. Next, select a strategy you want to analyze with global changes and enter A in the O column. To use the Global Changes feature during analysis, enter Y on the Global Changes line and then press Enter. In future analysis runs, you can use a saved set of global changes by entering the set name and creator on the lines below. If you don't specify a set name and creator on the previous screen, this screen appears to create temporary global changes. You can use this screen to create sets of global changes now, save them for future use, or both. With global changes set as shown here, now we'll create a set named Test with a share option of U for unknown, the description Test GBL changes, and the following options. All database names will change to TestDB because an asterisk in the From field will cause all appropriate fields to be changed. All storage groups will change to TestSG. All storage groups will have their creator changed to user. In other cases, you might want to set static values, such as test in the From field and prod in the To field, that would change the variable specified to prod if it was originally set as test. You can also use the % as a partial wildcard in the From field. For example, a value of TE% changes all versions of a variable that starts with TE, such as test or temper. Here we see our test global changes specified to be used in the analysis by pressing PF3 on the Global Changes screen. When Global Changes completes its analysis, it displays a summary page like this one. Here we see the global changes in action, creating the database TestDB using storage group TestSG in this create statement from the analysis. You'll manage sets of global changes from the RC Migrator main menu. Select 0 for Profile to work with different sets of global changes. On this screen, select 3 for Global Change Services. The Global Change Services panel shows a list of global change sets already defined on the subsystem. Using the correct code next to the set name in the O column allows you to manage existing sets in several ways. Enter U to update an existing change set. Enter T to template an existing change set. Enter B to browse a change set. Enter D to delete a change set. You can enter C in the O column next to a blank set name to create a completely new change set. You would then give the set a name, set the share option, and press Enter. That concludes this video and covers all the steps to create and manage global changes in RC Migrator R17. As always, please contact CA Technologies if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks for watching, and let us know what other topics you'd like to see covered.